decide in seconds whether or not they're going to engage with you. You're deciding that right now about me. That's speed to trust, and that speed matters. No one does anything until you've built trust. We build trust by getting people to feel emotion. Well, what's the fastest way to get people to feel positive emotion? Alcohol. But the second fastest way is humor. I've spent almost 30 years as a TV comedy writer and a comedian. Our whole job is creating emotional connection under pressure. Often a lot of pressure. If we don't connect pretty much immediately with our audience, nothing else we do works. You have that same pressure to connect in leadership. You need buy-in. Connect quickly, engage fully, and leave them wanting more. In my keynote, I break down how comedians create connection with strangers in seconds, and how anyone can apply those exact same principles to business. I call it rapid rapport. Here's the whole secret of comedy. Truth is funny. It is very early, isn't it? I'm getting a lot of looks of, I haven't even had my coffee yet, come on. That's the applause break? Okay. We found the level of the room, all right. Is that just a really civilized fire drill? Is it a timing thing? Did the war just end? What just happened? Why are we? The ability to create connection quickly with other humans is not a soft skill. It is a competitive advantage. At least that's what AI told me to tell you. When I was writing for the Oscars, it involved an up-and-coming young actor called Tom Hanks. Let me just clean up the names I've dropped over here. When you acknowledge what your audience is thinking, you make them feel seen and heard and understood. That's connection.